We're welcoming you to the 100th Central Highlands Water Choose Tap fountain launch here at the beautiful Gong Gong Reservoir Park.
This new drinking water fountain is particularly significant as it marks the 100th installation across the CHW service region. CHW has continued to encourage and educate the local community to stay hydrated and to reduce single-use plastic waste for the protection of our environment for future generations. The many positive responses we receive from schools, sporting associations and community groups is reassuring, knowing that the access to clean and safe drinking water is valued and appreciated by many. With this fountain, you will see we have installed our very first bicycle repair station for recreational cyclists accessing the Gong Gong Reservoir Park. The station includes bicycle pump and tools to assist cyclists in maintaining their bikes and riding safely.
Initially to start the Choose Tap initiative, and we thought, wow, how exciting is this having one? And here we are 99 fountains later, having the 100th one, and they're right throughout the region. They are so well used, and for us to really focus and encourage people to use tap water, it's a no-brainer for me, and I'm delighted to be out here to celebrate with the team. Congratulations to Central Highlands Water, congratulations to everyone who works on maintaining the fountains and allows us and the rest of the community to enjoy tap water and be a lot healthier and in a better place. So well done and congratulations. Today we should be celebrating a fantastic milestone.